What's poppin' YouTube? It's Vanessa and I'm back with another video. It's been a while since I've posted a watch me braid my hair video, and I've still been braiding my hair, just not recording it. But I wanted to go ahead and record this time when I do my hair. I'm doing some crochet braids. So my hair has already been washed, conditioned, detangled, and now I'm blow drying it. And I will post a video a little bit after this of my wash day routine. It's real simple, real affordable, but let's just get into the rest of this video. So I'm detangling or really just combing through this section of my hair since I've blow dried it. Isn't it cute? Y'all, it's been like a good 7 to 8 months since my hair has been straightened or anything. Like, I rarely put heat on my hair. So I'm getting ready to do this protective style since we're coming up on the fall cold months. That's really when like my hair is really dry, because the cold air just sucks all of the moisture out of your hair. But I think I'm gonna just talk to y'all while I braid my hair. So I'm gonna do a real simple braid pattern. I'm just gonna literally braid my hair going straight back, and I'm gonna connect the tail from the previous braid into the other braid and just keep going just like that. So I believe I did like 12 braids going across or going straight back. This really is not a tutorial, so it's not like a learn how to braid video. If you would like a braiding tutorial, then let me know down below in the comment section and I can certainly make that happen for you guys. I was thinking about posting a video showing like 2 different ways to do feed-in braids. I was thinking about doing feed-in braids on myself too after I take this hair down, but if you want to see that video, let me know. I will definitely record it and get it posted for you guys. So I'm on my second braid going straight back, and I'm going to turn around and show you guys how I connect the tail. So I just pull it up and then tuck it into that braid and just keep on going straight back. And that's literally how I do all of my braids. Just braid it down. When I get to the end, I like to comb through it or use my Denman brush and brush through the ends just to make sure my hair is tangled. I don't like my hair like being tangled up as I'm braiding it. And if you braid hair, then I guess you can kind of know what I'm talking about. So when I braid, I like to detangle the ends because I don't want my hair getting tangled while I'm braiding it, because then when I take it down, my hair is all tangled up. And I just showed y'all like how my braids look so far. So now I'm going to start on the left side of my hair. I always can braid my hair better on the right than I can on the left. I don't get that. If you're a braider like that and you can braid your own hair, like, let me know. Can you braid both sides equally the same, or are you better braiding one side? Because I can get my right side on and popping. The left side is good too, but I'm better on my right. Oh, so let me point this out. So I am not a professional at all. I do my own hair. I don't pay other people to do anything to my hair, but I do like to trim my ends periodically, and I have not trimmed my ends since, I want to say like June, maybe before then. So it's time for my ends to be trimmed. So I'm just cutting off just a little bit of my hair. So now back to these braids. So this section of my hair is like a smaller section, and what I wanted to do is like just split that in half, and I'm going to braid the top part of my hair just going straight back, and then I'll do the back braids after that. So I'm literally just going to trim off just a little bit of those ends. I'm not trying to actually cut my hair. I just want to make sure I get any broken and split ends off before I go back into this protective style. So I'm just going to braid this straight back. And if you are wondering about any products on my hair, I just have coconut oil on my hair, which I really don't like because coconut oil kind of dries my scalp out and makes it flaky. But at the same time, like, my hair feels fairly soft when I put it on there. I need another natural oil. So if you know another natural oil that you like better than coconut oil as far as moisturizing your hair, definitely let your girl know. So I'm on my last braid, and I'm connecting the 2 ends from the braid on the left and right into this last braid, and I'm just going to braid this braid going straight back, which is going to leave me with 1 tail to crochet, tuck away, hide, all that good stuff. I think I did pretty good to have braided my own hair, and especially to not be able to see anything but like the front half. Like, look at this base. So I have braids going straight back, some connecting to a Y shape, and now I'm just going to crochet my tail through my braid. And I tried to tuck my hair down where you can see it. Okay, so what I'm going to use as far as the hair, I'm using these crochet, I guess you can call them dreadlocks. They're either 10 or 12 inches. I don't remember the brand because these are old, but I do have a video that I posted showing you guys how I wash these crochet braids before putting them in my hair, because these braids are really nasty. Like, if you wear it, if you're like me and you like to reuse your crochet braids, you should really wash them before you put them back in your hair. Like, it's not going to mess them up, but it's just like, you know, bundles. You'll wash those before you put them in your hair. So wash your crochet braids because they get nasty. And if you don't believe me, look at the video I posted showing you guys how to wash the crochet braids. Like, you'll see just how dirty that water got from doing, like, from wearing those braids and cleaning them. So I'm just going to crochet this hair in. And since I don't know, like, how many packs of hair this is because it's been a while, what I like to do is put my crochet braids in and space them out. I like to do the front first just in case I like run out. Then I can just throw all my hair back into a low ponytail until I get more braids. But I'm now doing the back of my hair, and I just kind of feel with my finger how much space is in between each braid, and that's how I gauge like how much room I'm gonna put before I put the next braid in. Again, this is not a tutorial. I do have a crochet video on my channel, so that one will be linked somewhere in this video or in the description box if you would like to check it out. But I'm just going to continue filling in the back of my hair, just making sure that I do evenly space these braids. And what I'll do is, once I feel like I've done the back enough, then I'll take whatever hair is left and go fill in like the areas where it's like, okay, you can put a braid right there, or there's too big of a space right here. So this is the back done. And now I'm just going to fill in the front. I like to save like my edges area for the very end in case like I would have braided it too tight. Like it's I don't know, it's less pressure on my edges when I'm starting off. I don't know, to me it makes sense, may not make sense to you, but yeah. So now I'm filling in those areas where I left like too big of a gap, or the areas where I could actually, you know, afford to put more hair in, so it doesn't look like a space. Like, I'm not really worried about my middle. I'm more so worried about my front and the back of my hair being full, just in case I want to pull it all up in a ponytail. But this is the completed look. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know in the comments down below any other videos you would like to see. And as always, thank you for stopping by, and I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you are not already subscribed. Talk to you later. Mwah. Adios.